What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. Alright, so today we got the SS jacked up, man. We got the SS jacked up, and today we gonna be working on trying to get this doggone rear end took apart, because I got somewhere I gotta take it. So we gotta get this rear end apart. I know y'all see that rust and stuff. Get the rear end apart, and I gotta take it somewhere in a couple days. So I'm gonna work on it today, get it on out. And when I get it out, refreshing everything and have everything clean. So you guys just stay on the journey with me, man. We're working on the SS today, so I don't know how long it's gonna take. I ain't gonna tell you, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but you know, we're gonna work on it and see what we do, so just stay tuned. Yeah. Alright, gang, so we back. I'm out here working, man. I ain't had the camera on doing all this, because I'm gonna get frustrating, and you get frustrating and I get to cussing and saying all kind of stuff, but I'm gonna show y'all where I'm at so far, let y'all see how the process is going. Alright, so yeah, we down here. I got the shocks off, both shocks off. I got the, try to get that open. I got the uppers loose. I'm currently working on the bottom, on both bottom control arms, and then I do the springs, drop the and drop it, and you know, brake line and all that. I'm gonna try to get them drums off, but as of right now the drums gonna stay on. This shit been giving me hell. It's been giving me hell. But man, we gonna do what we do, cause this the G.D.I.Y game, you feel me? So I'm gonna cut y'all off, cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, gang, it's some time after. And boy, let's see what we got. Alright, we back up under here. We got that real, look like stuff about down. Let's see, give me a second, set y'all up, see if I can get it out for you. Hold tight. Alright, gang, we back, man. It's a while. It's been a minute. Why? It's been working me. But hey, man, we got it done, man. I'm finna turn y'all down here. Excuse my back. I know y'all probably seen my back. I thought I had it set up right, but I didn't. But that's just what you got. Come on, camera, clear up. That's just what you got, though. So I ain't cutting it out. So I've been working, but here you go. It is down, man. It's down. We got it down, my boy. Y'all see what's going on. Got the rear end down. And that's it. I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna get it on stands. Once I put it down now, I'm gonna get it on the stands and try to clean it a little bit, drain it out, do everything I need to do before it go to the shop, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's rusty and I'm gonna clean up under here, all that. We're gonna do all that, man. But I needed to get it down this weekend because I ain't gonna have time during the week since I do a lot of work. But we good, man, we good. So this is what we doing today. So you know what I'm saying? I just wanna say, you know, it's G.D.I.Y, man. This lifestyle right here, it ain't for the weak. It ain't for the weak, man. You really gotta be out here putting in work, turning them wrenches, dog. And just, you know what I'm saying? If you're trying to ride clean, you're trying to do something, you gotta do it yourself, man, cause a lot of times, you know what I'm saying, them shops be busy, dog, or they ain't gonna do it like, they ain't gonna take the time and do it like you would do it, you feel what I'm saying? And you'll see as I put mine together, it'll be to my liking, you know what I'm saying, not what somebody else want. So I got, you know, just stuff going on, got parts, new parts coming in, just different stuff, man. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, man. So like I always say, you know what I'm saying, them shops get bagged up. You don't know where to start. You got to do it yourself, man. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. And we out. We out. Let's go.